Okay, just let it set for about 5 minutes, and that's it. Okay, this is removing the dried up orange cleaner, and if you see some paint spots remaining, just put another coat, another spray, let it soak for a couple seconds, and of course always try it in an inconspicuous area first to make sure it don't have any adverse effects on your particular paint job. And in my case, it's a urethane paint, and it's cleaning up like brand new. I'll show you the side-by-side view in a second. Okay, there you go. This is the Overspray on the right, and the clean sprayed part on the left. Worked pretty good. Okay, now to finish the car. I got a lot of overspray on it. Well, there you go, from Home Depot, HDX Citrus Degreaser. Even has a citrus scent. Okay, good luck with your project. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Just give it a light rub with a damp cloth, and the overspray is coming right up. Okay, I'll buff it out now with a dry towel for you. And trying a new method. I'm spraying it on a car washing brush. I'm spraying some directly on the car and then some onto the brush like this. I'll give you a demonstration. I'll do a piece on the roof here. This all has overspray on it from a project I did in the garage, painting some other things. Okay, so I spray some on the vehicle, let it soak in for a minute or two, and then I spray some on the brush just to soften it up. This is a car wash brush, very good, the one you can attach the hose to. Okay, stand by, we'll let that set and I'll go give it a brush in a couple minutes. Okay, light brushing with the car brush, and then we'll give it a little buffing with the dry towel and we'll see the results. Okay, stand by 1 second. I don't know if you can see the difference from the overspray in this light. But it comes up pretty good with the brush, not having to use the small cleaning cloth. You can see the difference. Alright, we'll let it go. Stand by for more. An added bonus, I noticed it's even taken off some rust off the bumper that I didn't think would come off. And it's disappeared. Okay. Alright, back to it.